Welcome back, guys. This is Alpha, CEO and head trader of the Bearish Bulls Club, LLC. What do we have this week? It's very, very interesting. I'm going to give you guys a glimpse of what our BB members receive on a weekly basis, and of course during the weekends before we get the week started. So we always have a game plan. We trade based on setups, and we try not to gamble on earnings unless it fits one of my strategies. So let's start off what we have next week. We have several earnings, massive earnings. So it'll definitely be a fun week. We have Tesla, we have Apple, Robinhood, Visa. Honestly, some of these names got destroyed this week, this week. And a lot of these setups are breaking down, but I'm looking at all these furus getting very, very bearish. So it's likely that we do get a nice little bounce and maybe some consolidating for a couple weeks. It's my guess. And we start getting another leg up, or at least a bounce into a leg up. But as of now, several of these names have gotten, like I said, destroyed 100%. And a lot of people are getting very bearish. And with that being said, let's take a look at the fear and greed index. It looks like some fear has finally reached the markets. We were a bit greedy, I think, 2 weeks ago. So it's interesting how things move. But as of now, things are moving onto the fear side. But like I said, I feel like there will be a bounce in the next few days, possibly after Wednesday. It's my take, because we do have that Fed interest rate decision, FOMC press conference right after. BB members already know my strategy for FOMC. If you want to know what strategy that is, and alerts, trades, investing ideas, and game plans, it's all part of the membership here at the BB Club. So we have FOMC on Wednesday. We have GDP numbers as well on Thursday. So that would definitely be very important. But what I'm thinking is that we'll get a large move depending on what the Fed says to either direction. We probably get a bounce, it's my guess. And then on Thursday, we probably get a small dip according to whatever the GDP number is. But what I believe is that whatever the move happens on FOMC, the following day it will kind of reverse a little bit, but it'll just bring a buying opportunity once again. It's my take. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that. This meter could always move closer to this extreme fear, which it did back during the COVID crash, quote unquote COVID crash. But as of now, it looks like there's some fear moving into the markets, which is not surprising since we're seeing these big dumps and these little traders getting liquidated here. Just got to be smart and have a game plan as always. You don't have to trade every single day, and that's part of the philosophy that we use here at the BB Club. Let's take a look at MU. MU, incredible dumps this week. That peg up finally got closed. Insane. What a move. Disney is a name that I'm also watching. It had 2 gap downs recently, so I wouldn't be surprised if it starts bouncing and filling those gaps. Hopefully in about a month or 2. We will definitely keep an eye on that. ROKU is a name that many furus have been losing on. It's incredible what rise it had. It was insane. It went all the way to $450 or so dollars, which is nuts. And now it got a big haircut. Now at 152.13. So I'm not surprised. It was very overvalued, and I believe it's still overvalued, but it is due for a big bounce. But we'll definitely be monitoring that. I like trading Roku's options. AMD is another one that I also enjoy trading. Not surprised with this. Honestly, we invested in this in AMD, I think around $19 or $22. sold it way too early, and then got back in, got out again, and then it finally went all the way to 160. We missed that big right up, but we made some profit on the way up, and now I'm not surprised that is dipping a little bit. Actually, dipping, it's a little bit compared to the general market, but and I could definitely see a bounce on AMD as well, and then possibly more lows. We will definitely keep an eye on that as well. Just all these names are beaten up; they're oversold. So, like I said, I do expect a bounce, and I would not be surprised to see one. But like I said, always have a game plan that we trade it week by week or month by month. Just got to be smart and not be buying every single dip you see, because then you're what do they say? They say don't don't catch a falling knife. So yeah, definitely a big knife here. So you don't want to catch that just yet. You want to be smart and wait for people to get stressed out. These traders need to get stressed out first, and then it becomes a buying opportunity. You can't just buy on the first green candle you see. So we have that. I've been watching crypto and these NFTs, but crypto has gotten beat up pretty bad. So I'm actually considering buying. Let's see what it says here. Sorry. I'm thinking of buying crypto and dumping some money in it. But first, I want to see some side trading. I want to see a base form, and then I'll eventually buy it. But as of now, I am staying away from crypto. I'm just watching it from far. And see, now they're making memes about because I was making fun of crypto traders just because many were bragging about big gains, and look at them now. They're all crying now that it's dumping. So yeah, so I'm definitely keeping an eye on crypto. Not buying just yet, but it's getting very interesting. And this basically was a preview of what BB members receive, information, game plans, of course, alerts. And this week we took a loss on this. What was this, SPY? It just dumped 12% down. 12% loss there. But we've been doing pretty well in the Apex alerts. We've gotten some decent wins here. 39%. We had a 29% on what's this GOD? Oh no, this is SPY. Remember that. And we for the most part it has been great in the recent weeks for Apex. And these are the alerts that our members receive. That 215% winner on GLD. Another name that I'm also watching, gold, due to inflation. But yeah, 100% transparency, guys. We share losses, we post wins. Like I said, we had some of these members had an amazing week. Shout out to Cyric, awesome work. Also Pop, amazing games on Netflix. But yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel for more videos. And also subscribe to the Bearish Bulls Club. We're always accepting new members and new traders. We teach traders how to invest, different option strategies that we use, that I personally use, and of course, game plans and strategies, and of course, our hired traders that have been doing amazing work. Very proud of them. So if you guys haven't checked us out, make sure you click the link. I'll put it in the description below. So go ahead and check us out, and appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for some trading. All right, have a good one, guys.